স্যার এখানে যেটা দেখতে পাচ্ছ, these are basically, though it is torn, you can actually appreciate the presence of the small papillary muscles, right? You can actually see the papillary muscles. So these are the papillary muscles. You can actually see this one, right? Sir, এটা কি? These are basically, হ্যাঁ বলো বলো বলো, এগুলো হচ্ছে তোমার বেসিক্যালি কডি টেন্ডিনি।
Body tendini.
তাহলে এগুলোই হচ্ছে আমার সো কল্ড প্যাপিলারি মাসলস। আর প্যাপিলারি মাসলস, স্যার ইফ ইউ আর জয়নিং দ্য টু প্যাপিলারি মাসলস, ইউ উইল গেট the bridge. You will get the bridge.
Bridges.
Okay. So you got the bridges, and if something is getting raised from the ventricular wall, you call it as the ridges.
Ridges.
So you got the bridges and the papillary muscles. From the papillary muscles, you have got the body, and you know then there are those types of the body. Done. Now, sir, from the apex to here is basically a groove, referred to as the anterior interventricular groove. And what is present in here?
Left
Anterior descending along with the great cardiac vein. Along with the great cardiac vein. So those two structures are present here. So this is the left side of the atrioventricular groove. So this is the left heavy groove. Here presence of again two structures, the circumflex and continuation of the great cardiac vein. It is a continuation of the great cardiac vein along with the circumflex branch of the LCA. Now here you have got, this is your right atrial chamber, this is the ventricular. So between these two you will get the right
Atrium.
AV. If you come posteriorly, so here is your right AV and here is the posterior AV. Okay, so you know here was the first part of the RCA, here is the second part of the RCA, and this is the posterior interventricular groove containing
Posterior descending.
and the mid-cardiac vein. Now if you come to the posterior groove, on the left side you get the coronary sinus along with the circumflex. Here you have got the second part of the RCA,
Anastomosis.
anastomosis between the two at the crux. Now either the right will give a branch, that is the posterior interventricular, 80% of individuals right dominant heart,
Right dominant.
or the circumflex branch continues as the posterior interventricular in 20% of individuals as left dominant. Clear?